welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura if you are new here, and I make content about lifestyle, cleaning, cooking, a little bit of organization, decluttering, and today I have a video for you about teacher gifts that I got for my daughter's teachers at school. So if you want to learn more about what I got for them, you can go ahead and keep on watching. So these gifts could be not just used for teachers, but if you had a bachelorette party or like favors for a baby shower, or if you just wanted to do some really cute gifts for your friends, I would definitely recommend this set. I got most of these items off of Amazon. A couple of them I got at other places, but majority of them are from Amazon. And so the first item I got, this came all together. So I got tumblers. I'll go ahead and open one of them and kind of show you what they look like. I thought these were really, really cute. So this is the tumbler, and it has a little saying on it. This one says, "You are loved." And then it also came with straw and a brush to clean it with, which I think is really nice. I love these little brush cleaners that you can use for the straw. I feel like that's super helpful to use, and it gets all the gross like dirt, and sometimes there can get mold and things like that in there. So I think that is really convenient that it comes with both of these things. And honestly, I didn't know this even came with all these tumblers. I think it's really cool. I thought they were just going to be the openings where you could close it with the sip. You can just sip off the top, but I really am happy that they came with this. And then it also came with these little bags. Like, open these, and these also have a little saying on it. This one says, "You are worthy." This one says, "You are important." So I'm hoping that these will match with the tumblers, and I can put them together depending on what the saying is, but if not, I'll just kind of mix and match them. And then it also came with these little, bunch of little keychains for them. This one says, "You are amazing." This one says, "You are capable." And so I thought this was really cool to be able to give to them. They could put it like on their key ring for their keys. And then I also got them, so that all came together, the bags, the keychains, and the tumblers. And that was, I think it was, I'm trying to think exactly what the price was. I don't know if it was $20 or $30. I can't remember, but I thought that was a super good price for these because honestly, I was a little bit nervous about the amount of teachers that she has. So she's at a daycare, and she's about to transition out and go to pre-K. And there's a lot of people, different people that watch her sometimes, depending on what day it is. Sometimes she goes somewhere else in the morning. Sometimes she's somewhere else in the afternoon and has different teachers. So I kind of wanted to make sure I got all of them a little bit of something. And then I also got a set of pens. I don't know if you can see, the light's kind of glaring. But I think there's 12 in here. This was $10. I'm not going to use all 12 of them because I think there's only 9 of these that I'm going to, 9 teachers. Actually, I think it's 7 teachers, and then there's a director and assistant director. So I'm going to not have to give out all of these, but I thought this would be like a nice item for them to have. I'm sure they do a lot of writing with maybe like lesson plans or anything else. So I wanted to give those to them, or they can just use them at home to write with. And then I also got them each, well, I think I have 8 candles, but I also got them a candle. Oh, these smell so good. I'm kind of jealous I didn't get some for myself, but I'm gonna put that in their bag. And then for the other 2 that I didn't get candles, I had these lip balms that I had bought just as gifts to give out, and I'm kind of glad that I did. So like if I see something on clearance, like for example, these lip balms, or I think I have a couple nail polishes up in the area that I kind of store my gifts in. So if I do have someone that I want to get a gift for, I will just kind of pull from that stash if I find really good deals on some items. I think I also have hand soaps from Bath and Body Works, but those, I think one of them had like a stocking on it, so it's probably like from Christmas time, so I probably won't give that out to them just because it's August, it's not Christmas time, so I'm just gonna kind of use these instead. So I'm glad I had two to kind of add to that. And then I'm gonna put each of the items in these bags. I got these from Walmart. I think this was $7.97 for the bags. And I will also, for the cups and the bags and the pens, I'll go ahead and put the links in the description box below. They are affiliate links, so if you something you don't want to do, you don't have to, but I'll definitely put this link down below. And then that is all that I got for them. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and pack the bags up and show you what they look like.
So this is what the bags look like when they're all done. I know they look a little bit boring as they are all white, but I could not find any other colored bags except for either white or
So
brown.
I know I already showed kind of what the bags look like, but this is what they look like as an individual bag. So we got all of their stuff in there. I just put a little nice piece of sparkly tissue paper on top of all of these, and I'm super excited to give them out tomorrow. I am so sorry. You look at this is just a really big mess right now. My daughter doesn't clean up very well after playing with toys, and we just got her a gymnastics mat and a bar, so kind of a lot of stuff in here. But I hope that you guys all enjoyed that video. Hopefully it gave you a little bit of an idea of doing a gift for a larger group. I don't know if I said exactly, but it had the Amazon tumblers that came in a pack of 10, and I have 7, I think I already said this, maybe 7 teachers that I'm going to give those out to, and then I have the director and the assistant director, so I have a total of 9 of the bags to give out. I just thought it would be kind of nice. We've been attending the center for a really long time, so I thought it would be nice to give the director and the assistant director something, even though they're not really teachers, but they've always helped us out and answered our questions and, done everything they could for us. So I am, like I said, super excited to hand those out tomorrow. Like I said, hopefully this gave you maybe a little bit of an idea of a somewhat budget friendly idea for gifts, and I hope to be able to do this again, hopefully around Christmas time, when I'll be getting more gifts for her teachers. And I'm kind of happy this year it'll be a lot less. I think she'll only have 2 teachers versus the many different ones she has right now. So, if you are someone that doesn't want to spend this much money, or you only want to get small things, I would say I've definitely been there. I wish I could buy something for everybody, but I can't. Just monetarily, it can get pretty expensive pretty fast. And like I said, this is the last time I'll be doing this, so for this big of a group of teachers. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.